What's up, guys? It's your boy Blackberry here, and I am starting a new channel. I'm super stoked. It is Hip Hop Wave, soon to be hiphopwave.com. As soon as I get the site up and running, I will let you guys know. I want to start this channel off right, even though the audio quality is not that great because I could not get the USB Audio Technica to work with this laptop. I don't know what was going on with it. It just did not want to work. So old school, not even old school, because an older person would be smarter to have better audio quality on a audio based video. I am giving away a Nectar SE49 MIDI keyboard. All you have to do is like and subscribe, and the first 400 likes and subscribes that I get, you have to do both, will enter in to win this keyboard. I have it right here. I actually took it out to make sure that it was working because I've gotten faulty MIDI keyboards before, and I actually put some well, here, I'll just show you. You can see there I put stickers on it. You can take them off, they come right off, so don't worry, you don't have to worry about there being like a film or something on them. It is a great keyboard, and if somebody's just starting out or has one that's like an older one, they will greatly appreciate it. And if not, you just have an extra mini keyboard to hook it into, a sound module or whatever else you have. So I did not know what I was going to do for my first video, so I thought I would just do a little bit, show you a new technique on an 808 that I just figured out the other day. Some of you guys might have already known to do this, but I thought it was a cool and interesting way to have a 808 sample cut through the mix and give more character to an 808. All I have the 808 on channel 1, and the only two things that I have on it is, I believe you pronounce this Nor distortion. It is a very simple distortion. The higher up you go with this vector, the more distortion. You have soft, medium, and hard. It is the equivalent to fruity distortion, I think it's called. Forgive me, I am coming from Logic Pro 9. So I am still learning this DAW, and I am loving it. I like it way better than I did Logic 9. I just don't know it as well, but I have been making music for about 10 years. So I just made this little loop here. This is with no effect on it. Yeah, crazy sounds. All them sounds are in my Perfection drum kit that will be on my website for sale whenever it gets up and running. But until then, you guys are gonna have to wait. But there is a lot of really freaking dope sounds in there, and I took my time and I made sure that they were all sounds, not recycled stuff. I layered some stuff just to give it some so it still had that essence to it, but they're all new sounds. Basically with this 808 here, what I plan on doing is whenever I'm going to create the sample first, and then I'll add it to channel 1. So let me mute all these. Yeah, so this is just coming out of channel 1, nothing on it. So let's add just a little bit of distortion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to time this. I know there's other ways to do this, but let's just see how good I can time this up. Whenever I hit record, I'm going to start here and drag up, and as the sample plays out, it will give more distortion and a little bit more character to see if I can do this or not. I think we got. Yep, there we go. It sounds weird. I could do some more processing to it. You know what? Fuck it. Let's try something else. What else do I want to add to it? Let's try waves. I love our bass. If our bass 9 times out of 10 is actually on my bass in some form or fashion, it's just kind of like the sound that I like. Let's get rid of G tune. Yeah. Can you hear how it goes like up halfway through the sample? I like it'll help cut through the mix. Now let me sample this and I'll be right back. Let's just add it to channel 2. Just same as the kick. This is what it sounds like after I sampled it. And then adding the kick with it. Yeah, you get the idea. So I thought that'd be something like you guys could try to like incorporate, or even it might have sparked another idea. If you guys figure something else out, hey, let me know, or you see an easier way of doing what I'm doing. I think the audio community is like the best community ever. They always have good they always have good conversations. You guys are just great, man. Like I go into like the forums and I run into conversations that are really intriguing and help me be a better producer, better at making samples, better just all around. I look forward to talking to you guys. But yeah, it's your boy Black Bear here. I'm signing out. It's my first video. More to come. All right, peace.